Hello, this is Eric from labofcoding.com. In the last video, we looked at how to customize things in the Django, in our Django forms. In this video, we're going to pick up from that and we're going to look on how to customize things in the Django admin. So far, we have created all the endpoints that we started to create, except the endpoint to allow users to delete or to do with a given ID. So we'll not do this in the series. I will leave it as an exercise. I guess it's easy to do it based on the knowledge that we have learned so far. So instead, for now, in this video, look at how to customize things in the Django admin. So let's close this. So if we go to the Django admin and go to where we have our to-dos, we can see that we have only a listing of the title, but it will be good to have a table so that it can display all the data that we have in our to-do. So Django has a way that you can do that. So if you go to admin.py, you see that we gave to the admin.site.register method, we gave the to-do. So a second argument that you can give is a model admin, and the model admin is what you use to customize your how your model is displayed in the admin. So let's create that model admin class. So we will call it to do admin, and the class itself is admin.model admin. So to display a table in the admin, you have a list setting on the class known as list display, which you give it the fields that you want to display. So in our case, we want to display the title, we want to display the due date, and let's also display the done field. We will leave the description because this is a table. So we'll pass the to do admin as the next argument in the register method. So that will be to do admin. So let's refresh the browser. Yeah, you can see now we have a table of our to-dos displayed in the admin. So we can also add some filtering functionality on the right so that users can filter based on given conditions. So we also have another setting known as list filter, and you give it the fields that you want to filter with. So you want to allow users to filter by the done field and by the due date. So let's save that and let's refresh the page. Yeah, you can see that Django has added a filter box on the right, so you can filter by done. So let's get to those which have been done, those which have not been done, maybe let's say those which have been created in the last 7 days, and so forth. And you can see that the we can add some ordering, so we can order them by the date that they were added and in descending order. So let's get all of them. So the setting also has an ordering field. So you can say ordering, you want to order by the due date in descending order. So descending, get the minus sign and then the field. So you order them when they're fetching, when Django is fetching them from the database, it will order them by the due date in descending order. So because this is a tuple, let's not forget the comma at the end. Let's save that. Let's refresh. So you can see that they have been ordered by the due date in descending order. So that's it for now. We'll pick up from this in the next video. Thanks for watching.